Okay friends, today we are looking at Akko 19.8-key Matcha Red Bean themed mechanical keyboard. Let me start with disclaimer saying that I am not an expert in mechanical keyboards and frankly I am not interested in becoming one. So this is a review from the regular user perspective. I'm just a programmer who wants a better typing experience and nice looking keyboard to make daily workflows a bit more fun, and probably I am just a tiny bit too deep in mechanical keyboard rabbit hole. Mechanical keyboards are not cheap. You can find something starting from about $50, but do not hope to find hidden gems in that price range. $70 to $120 price for mechanical keyboards, in my opinion, is sweet spot. You already can find something with good brand name switches from Cherry or Gateron, for example, good keycaps, and you can find even Bluetooth functionality supported in them. Akko lands this price range nicely with price at $75.99. It is still very affordable and very nice looking and good keyboard. And that is not expensive for mechanical keyboard, believe me. High-end pre-built keyboards cost from $150 to $250 per keyboard. If you will take a look on custom-built keyboards, you can find that you can easily spend $1,000 or even more dollars on custom-built keyboard. Akko keyboard has a bit of old school vibe and looks lovely in setup. Additional keycaps are included, which I love to have. I like how arrow keys and numpad are separated from other keys without losing any space. In addition, I found myself making fewer errors using arrow keys comparing with more compact layouts. Feet to adjust the keyboard angle is in place, so if you like to hurt your wrists and elevate the keyboard, it is possible. USB-C cable matches the green color of the keyboard. Bluetooth connection is not supported in this model and you will not find LEDs in switches. However, if you plan to modify your keyboard later, there is place for lights in switches and keyboard supports lighting on-off commands, so that's up to you if you like to add lights and modify your keyboard later. Switches are essential part of mechanical keyboards. That makes or breaks the keyboard for you and define how you feel typing on this keyboard and how it sounds. Membrane keyboards are more soft and mushy. Mechanical keyboards provide more tactile feedback and have fewer errors on key registration when you are typing fast or when you are gaming. There are three main switch types: linear, tactile and clicky. My keyboard has anti-ghosting Gateron orange tactile switches. I prefer tactile switches like Cherry Browns or Gateron Oranges because they are not so clicky like blue switches and still provide more tactile feedback than linear switches. If you are looking for linear switches, those are Cherry Red or Gateron Pink, and clicky switches are Cherry Blue. So very different switches, very different sound and feeling when you are typing. Switch types and preferences in this area is endless rabbit hole, so let's move to the another rabbit hole in mechanical keyboards, and those are keycaps. Akko has PBT, double shot keycaps, cherry profile. If you are new to mechanical keyboards, the same as I am, that means that they are up to the standard and you will have no problem finding another keycap set if you will like to replace those keycaps. There are already additional keycaps provided with this keyboard and you can play around with different color schemes. Kudos for that to Akko, but I would like to see Mac key as well. So one of most important questions about mechanical keyboards, how this keyboard sounds, and here it is. I'm using this keyboard for 2 weeks already and overall impressions are great. I really like it. I'm comparing this keyboard with Iconix F96, which is in totally different price range. It costs about $250, so that's about 3 times more expensive than Akko keyboard. Is it 3 times better? That's a very subjective question, but I don't think so. Sure, here we have RGB lighting support, Bluetooth support, aluminum base. Is it worth 3 times bigger price? I don't think so, especially if you are on budget, then Akko is a really great alternative. So will I switch to this keyboard to use it as my daily driver? No, I will stick with my Iconix keyboard, mainly because Bluetooth support. I like to switch between iPad and my Mac. I can recommend this keyboard if you are looking for an affordable and nice looking mechanical keyboard to make your setup more attractive and fun. If you like to check actual prices on this keyboard, there is Amazon link below. You can check actual prices or get one for yourself. Highly recommend, good keyboard. Why not for that price? Just nice keyboard. If you like to know more about Iconix keyboard, I have separate video about that. I will link that here. If you like this video, there is like button to let me know about that, and yeah, also if you like to see more hardware review videos and so on, let me know about that, hitting that like button and subscribing if you are not subscriber yet. Okay, thank you for watching, see you on next one, bye.